Check out the chart first and wait. First we are checking the time frame, which is 30 minutes. Then checking the RSI 14 for trend to trend cross check. RSI 14 2 hooks above 70 is on negative trend direction, where the price trend showing positive trend. Find out the extreme middle hook between the two hooks, which is above 70 RSI. Now put a line from lower RSI hook point to middle RSI hook point and extend it to find out the breakdown level where we are going to trade as short sell. Here you can see the price, which was 2496 to 2500 range, which will be our short sell area. As I am using the 30 minutes time frame chart, so I have to wait little bit more time to gain the profit percentage of 0.5% to 1%. You can see within 10 candlesticks the 1% return came. This is the best and shortcut trade tricks with RSI 14.